So this evening I've come to one of my favorite restaurants here with Selena. The restaurant's called Chef Dar, but Selena is the actual chef, and she's going to cook up my dinner tonight, and I'm going to video it. So I ordered stir-fried cabbage with fish sauce and also prawns and green curry, and there's our prawns. These are baby eggplant.
Yeah.
Carrots, some spice, some hot chilies.
Yeah, and this one is the green curry for 10 for kindergarten. And then combine for the pan. This is cabbage with fish sauce here. And then we cut first, like here. Okay. But you need the chili or not? No?
Yeah,
maybe
medium spicy.
We don't have the medium here. I'm so sorry. We have only kindergarten, primary. And then just like we go back to school and learn our tongue how it works. Yeah. It's here. But everything here is fresh preparing.
Yeah, it looks delicious. And this is basil?
Yeah, sweet basil. You know, so small, so big different than we have too many different some basil, but this one is sweet basil is good for green curry.
Do you grow your own or you buy it?
Yeah, we grow behind next to my restaurant over there is my some how can I say the herb and some spice.
Herb garden.
That's one basil leaf.
Fresh basil. Yeah.
Yeah, sweet basil.
Great.
We're gonna have more. Now we already put the seed.
Let them boil. There, we will cook. We will cut all the ingredients what we have to use. You know, it's so special here. We have fresh cut and direct cook. You will get the fresh and tasty, and we mix everything here, here, and here together. That's it. And then you can have in this side. This is all my equipment. This one, the pot for the curry, for all the curry. And this is my wok. You can see how many I have. To be about 20. And this is my key.
And your wax, are they stainless steel or carbon steel?
Carbon is, you know, I don't know, but actually it's that,
Carbon steel.
Yeah. But it's good when you do the stir fry. It's very heat fast and then not slow all the flavor of the food. That's why. Now we come to cook. This one for green curry, we put first, and then should be coconut milk. But I use 100 coconut.
Okay.
100%, and then we use about 250, and we mix with a little bit water. Just not much, just maybe 50 or something, but drinking water. And we use a little bit sugar and then fish sauce. That's it, nothing else. A little bit fish sauce. And then we do here. We take the heat right now to boil. This one. Every time I use gas. Okay. We will add when is the curry is enough boil. We will add shrimp and vegetable at the same time, and the last one we will add the basil.
Okay.
We
don't want to cook that.
Yeah, but we need the smell. It's so good. And now we come to cook. We do the stir fry cabbage here. เป็นธรรมชาติมากเลยอะ Here, this is I use only rice oil.
Rice oil.
Yeah, rice oil, not too many cholesterol or not too many things stuck in your body.
Right.
That's why.
Very light.
Yeah, very light. And then we heat him. Okay. Let's see. You can see me. I'm not used too much oil.
No.
No. Here. Just like here. And we wait until they're hot enough. You can see, you can feel, you know, the oil is not too thick. Before it's very thick. Now when it's hot,
Right.
it's not too thick, just like water. When it's mashed, we have to keep it back here. We just need the flavor, but we don't need the oil. Yeah. Okay. I wash my hand already, Jay. Check this here. Okay. We not cook much for this one. Okay. Now we let a little bit more heat, and then here as well. You see, it's better. Now we mix with a little bit sugar, and then fish salt. That's it. Nothing else. And then this is the dry chili here. Now the curry is ready. You can put the camera over there. And then we add here the shrimp here. And then vegetable. A little bit few chili. Yeah. It's done. You have to try. ลวกไปให้ลุงชิมจะช้าๆแล้วก็สาว Our shrimp is almost nearly cooked. Yeah. But we need a little bit more. Just one. Now you see it's about 70% cooked. We add. You want to taste before I put the basil?
No, it's okay.
We add all in. I want you smell. Now it's so good smell.
I wish my smell was better.
Okay. I hope you are enjoying with my cooking. Your green curry.
I love it.
Thank you very much. ลูกพี่ขอช้อนหน่อยได้ไหมหนูช้อนให้ลูกชิม Okay, now you try the sauce. I know you have tried already
Okay.
many times, but it's the key here. It's it's the fresh ingredient, fresh cut and then direct cook. All the flavor is come from the
It
fresh
seems like
one.
it has a lot of flavors. Different flavors.
Yeah. You have to taste, but everyone can say, oh, Thai food is so simple, but yeah, it's simple, but the way you cook is not the same every restaurant. I can try my best already here. Now we are actually we just do like this. Ship. Oh, sorry. Oh, I do it the wrong direction.
That's fine.
Here. And then a little bit here. We make something like this. Yeah. But I wash my finger about many times every day. Okay, that's it, all done.
And here is the finished product. Prawns and green curry. Look at those fresh vegetables. Stir-fried cabbage and fish sauce. I've already taken a taste because I couldn't wait, and it is delicious. So this is Selina's place. It says Chef Dar, but it's Selena. And the food is marvelous. If you like this video and others from 105-Minute Meals, please subscribe. Hit the like button and hit the bell button so that you get notifications when we come out with new videos. Pura vida from Costa Rica.